Last time, my brothers on the run, the bros packed up their gear and headed 1,400 kilometers west to the small town of Fernie BC, where they set up their gear and got ready for an epic day of bike park. 3 brothers, 4 provinces, 5,000 kilometers, 1 incredible country. We're on a quest for the trip of a lifetime. We won't stop until we're out of money. This is Brothers on the Run. Alright, so it's day 2. We just got up. Today's gonna be a super sick day. We're gonna be riding the Fernie bike park. Super stoked. We're just making breakfast now, kind of taking up the entire table. But yeah, super stoked about today. I think it's gonna be a good one. So we loaded the bikes on the car and headed up the hill to kick off the first day of riding. Alright, so we're at the resort finally. Fernie Alpine Resort. Got the bikes lined up, looking all sorts of pretty. Just gonna wait till the hill opens, then we're gonna start shredding. But man, I am so beyond hyped. It's gonna be such a good day. After riding most of the morning, and almost dying a few times. Holy f***ing shit! Whoa! Holy shit! We figured it was time for lunch.
No. What you're doing is like, click, not die, not clickbait. Non-sexual in the hood.
For sure. Anyways. What's up right now is we're just having lunch. We just finished our first morning of bike park. Super sick. It's super dusty up at Fernie right now. Like, it's actually like kind of scary a little bit sometimes. I've had a couple falls. I've crashed. Trin's crashed. Doc got the worst of it. You can see his arms there is pretty bad, but he's toughing it out. He's a champ. Anyways, been super sick. Have another afternoon yet. Been a good day so far. Bike park is way too much fun. Like, if your arms are hurting, man, just punch yourself right in the face. Or, like, you won't be focused on it, the pain will be gone.
No, that's why you get one of the bikes and sack yourself on it.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Everybody dies.
right, so that pretty much wraps up our first day of bike park riding. How do you guys like it?
Good.
It's definitely different from what we got in Manitoba, but oh my god, is it a blast. It's super sick. I can't complain. Today was awesome. Definitely had some good crashes. We definitely all are gonna be a little bit sore tomorrow, but
I don't think I'm gonna be sore.
yeah, you know, you'll probably be okay. I think I'll be for the most part okay. I think we're gonna be a little bit sore, but the bikes are in good that's a lie. We had some casualties. As you can see, there's actually like no chain on this bike, and this one's not shifting properly. Mine's okay though, which is good for me. Anyway, so we're gonna head to a bike shop and get this fixed, and then I think we might go for a swim. All right, so we more or less just got back from mountain biking. Super sick, but we're kind of hot, so we figured we're gonna go for a swim. This water is nice and clear. It's from a glacial stream, Elk River, but it's freaking cold. So
It's only slightly cold.
it's only slightly cold. What do you think? Like
2 degrees.
I don't think it's that cold. I'm going like 7.
5. Best I can do is 5.
The best you can do is
So
5.
Is that a deal?
The best, yeah, sure, that's a deal.
5.
5 degrees.
5 degrees.
5 degrees. All right, let's get in. Okay, that's cold.
Warm.
The water was cold, but it was only a matter of time before one of us dunked ourselves, and Doc was the brave soul who went first.
Jesus, man.
How was that?
It wasn't that bad, actually.
That wasn't that bad. Okay, I'm doing it.
After submerging ourselves, there's nothing else to do but mess around.
Yeah, I'm gonna beat you.
I'll take us both down.
Lock is authorized to the Jeep. Focus 1315. Come on. Is it colder?
Honestly, I don't think so.
It feels warmer.
It does feel warmer. I don't know, how does this feel warmer?
I feel like I can cross this. I'm not gonna take a
You
risk.
could.
It's gonna take
That rapid over there looks pretty nasty. Yeah. You just rubbed me with a rock.
I rubbed the slime on the rock.
Yeah.
Should have worn a shirt.
Shut up.
Get a 60-minute video of just a stream. Even if people like swim by or there's like boats that go by,
Yeah.
and then you just shove some like video game music, like some Skyrim music or some like Witcher music on it, and boom, done. Money.
It has to be Witcher music mixed in with stream ambiance. Hey guys, this is Painting with Bob Voss. Trying to stream here. I thought the outdoor painting would be good for you.
Suffice it to say, we'd pretty much lost our minds, but it was time to call her a night. We had another epic day tomorrow. Next time on Brothers on the Run, we're heading back to the resort for more epic bike park, and then in the afternoon, we're gonna summit the mountain all the way to Polar Peak.